everybody, welcome back to the garage. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead, click on subscribe, and also click on that bell to receive all the updates and activities on my channel. Alright, so today we have a product review of some ratchet straps. So full disclosure, Gossip reached out to me and they supplied me these straps in exchange for my review. They are not paying me for this review, but they did provide the product nonetheless free of charge. So at the end of this video, we're actually going to be giving away a set of these straps. So make sure you watch the entire video to find out how to be eligible to get a set of these straps for yourself. Alright, so within the kit, you're going to get 4 straps. And each strap has 3 components. The first thing you're going to get is a loop, which is closed on both ends. And this is a nice feature to have, and this is something that you don't normally see with most ratchet strap kits. You'll get the mechanism itself, and then you're going to get the strap, which goes into the mechanism. All right, so why don't we do it? We'll start talking about the individual components and what makes this a little bit unique versus a standard strap. What makes these mechanisms different from the the orange straps that you'll typically find in your various hardware stores? Those are typically painted, and so with these are actually cadmium plated, so they're gonna be resistant to rust. What I've seen with the painted ones, the paint that are on the cheaper straps, the paint will quickly flake off, and it's just bare steel underneath of them, and those will quickly rust. But because these are plated, they're gonna be resistant to rust. Also, what's nice about these ratchets are actually rated to 2,200 pounds. Those orange ones that you're going to typically find, those are only rated for 400 pounds. So not only is it the rating clearly stamped on the mechanism itself, it's also tagged on the strap. So not only is the mechanism 2,200 pounds, the strap is 2,200 pounds, right, compared to 400. So with the hook of the ratchet strap, what I've noticed is, in comparison to the orange ones, the material of the hook is a thicker diameter than what you'll see, and also the opening is wider. So whatever you're going to hook on, it's going to engage a lot easier. And then once you do have it engaged, you do have a safety clasp that will prevent it from falling off. Right? So looking at the mechanism itself, again, it's coated, so it also has a rubber overmold on it, which is nice. Not only is there rubber overmold on the handle, there's also one on the release. So when you go to use it, you don't have to worry about catching an edge with your fingers and possibly cutting yourself. So not only is it overmolded, it's actually overmolded over the entire structure. So when you're using this, there's no fear or concern that this is actually going to slide off on some of your cheaper ratchets. So here's the strap. The strap is the same thing. It has a wider opening and also has a safety clasp on it. So once you do engage on it, it's not going to fall off whatever you're trying to hold down. So then the weight rating is completely identified on the tag, and it has a brake strength of 2,200 pounds, and this is 15 feet long. So you're going to have a good range of adjustment when you're getting these straps in, okay? So last but not least, you have a loop, right? So what's nice about the loop is, in the event that you need to go around a weird or strangely shaped object that won't necessarily engage the hook, what you can do is you can put this strap around what you want to engage, and then you engage the end of the strap into the hook, and then you ratchet it down. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to show you what I mean with that loop, and we'll go from there. All right, so today we're going to be working in the garage as far as the demonstration. It's actually pouring out today, so the weather conditions are not the best to get this thing loaded up on the trailer. But you know what, we're going to do it in the garage, and we're going to kind of show you, simulate what you would need to do. All right, so even though with this ratchet strap, even though the eyelet is a bigger diameter than what you normally see, depending on what you're trying to work with, whether it be a sled, a quad, a bike, a jet ski, whatever that you're trying to strap down, even with the bigger diameter hook, sometimes it's just not big enough to get over some object that you're trying to secure down. So what's nice in this kit is that, again, they include this loop, and with the use of this loop, it allows you to essentially attach it to any type of object that you're trying to secure against. So to use this loop, all you're going to do is you're going to wrap it around the object that you want to secure, and then all you're going to do is you're going to take the loop and you're going to pass it through itself, and then just draw it tight, right? And then just draw it tight. And then what you would do is you would take your other end of the ratchet and then just attach to it and then just ratchet it down like you normally would, right? So the use of this loop is actually pretty handy because even though, you know, the hook is coated and, you know, not to mar up against some stuff, depending on what you're doing, the object that you're trying to secure against, sometimes this isn't enough. But using this loop, there's no hard edges on it, and it's really going to help to protect the surface that you're securing against. All right, so why don't we go back to the bench, and I'll show you how you can win a pair of these for yourself, free of charge from the manufacturer. All right, so in closing, I really like these Gossip ratchet straps. They have a lot of features built into them, a lot of little things that really set them apart from other ratchet straps that you can buy. So I would give these a thumbs up. All right, so if you'd like to buy these on your own, go ahead and check out the description in the video. There will be a link that will bring you out to Gossip's storefront on Amazon where you can purchase them on your own. If you would like to win these, what Gossip has agreed to do, they're going to essentially pick a person that comments at random on this video, and they're going to basically send them out to you for free. So to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is make a comment. Say, hey, I could use these Gossip ratchet straps to do this or to do that. All you need to do is leave a comment, all right? So we'll probably run this towards the end of the year just so we can get some engagement on it. I realize everybody's busy over the holidays, but all you have to do is watch this towards the end and leave a comment, and we'll go from there. All right, so if there's any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and leave it in the comments box. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day. See you later.